Welcome to Study Loop.
Chapter 11, Problem 6. Water is a terrible refrigerant. This is a conceptual question, so I'm not going to bring numbers into it. Let's just imagine two refrigerators, one that runs on water and one that runs on any refrigerant, but in this problem, we're actually talking about refrigerant 134a. Right off the bat, delta T is going to be lower in the water refrigerator than it is in the refrigerant refrigerator. Compressing water just does not make it that much hotter, and decompressing water just does not make it that much cooler by comparison. And going back to the Carnot cycle, as soon as you hear that delta T is lower, you know that the coefficient of performance is going to be lower too. That's the efficiency. It's down, mainly because Q in is going to be so tiny compared in the water refrigerator. The difference in temperature between the water for the Q in process is going to be a few degrees Celsius versus refrigerant 134a, which literally gets colder than frozen water. So the question is, should you support the decision to use water? No.